Crypto will be integrated into the world of modern finance. Today, we are trading NFTs and coins. Tomorrow, crypto-powered solutions will be the basis for financial infrastructure, making financial freedom more accessible. Institutions and regulators are still behind. Instead of providing clear guidelines and innovation, they make it difficult for crypto companies to work with a fiat currency. Mercuryo has emerged as one of the preferred solutions due to our expertise in the payment industry and understanding of blockchain technologies. For crypto to become mainstream with the financial sector, compliance will be key. Today, our on- and off-ramp solutions are used by more than 200 industry leaders, including Binance, Trust Wallet, and Ledger. And here is why. By using Mercuryo on- and off-ramps, our customers can focus on their primary business, regardless of being an exchange, DX aggregator, NFT game, or a wallet. What's important is that Mercuryo provides businesses with the ability to leverage our licensing, liquidity, and compliance without the need to interact with any banking intermediaries. This is a win-win. Customers receive a smooth and secure experience, plus the lowest fees within the industry. We allow companies to accept payments from anywhere in the world without any risk, essentially helping them become the market leader. As you can see, these solutions have already integrated to pace and business growth for many enterprises. Your business could benefit from it too. Integration takes less than 1 week. You can reach out, pass KYB, integrate, and then go live. If you see potential for crypto to become the future of fintech, reach out and we can help. Let's make a change in the industry together. The future is crypto-powered.